everyone. Welcome to Capsavi CRM. So today we will learn once you have created your username and subscription. So you need to create your email ID and all. So we'll learn today how to create first time login, how to set up your company name, how to set up your logo, and how to set up your email so that that same email ID will be used when you are sending email to your customers or to your team members. So go to setup. After setup, you go to settings. Then settings, there are information, general information, company information, localization, email, finance, payment gateway. All these are important for your first time setup. So we go to first general. So this is the company logo. You select your company logo, whatever you have got your logo. So we'll have our logo. So we'll just use our logo. So let us say this is company logo, we are using this one. So we have used that. And one more thing, that company logo has to be as per the specification. So once again take a smaller size. We'll take this Hemant logo because that is as per the specification. We'll take this logo. So logo has come. Now the company name, you write your company name, Hemant Marketing Services. Suppose this is my company name, and company's website. Suppose it is www.hemantmarketing.com. Then admin area, customer area, allowed types, save settings. So now my Hemant logo has come. It is appearing here now, Hemant logo. And now come to company information. So company information, write your company name, Hemant Marketing Services. You write your address, Mumbai, Andheri East, Mumbai. So company code, zip code, all information you can write. And company information format, PDF and HTML. So that format will go. We'll discuss about those things later. So save settings. So now company information has gone. So these information will be used when you are sending your email to anybody. Then localization. So default timeline. So date format. There are multiple options available. Date, month, year, or month, date, year, or month, date, year. So we select first one, date, month, year. Which format do you want, 12 hours or 24 hours? So we say 24 hours. Default time zone, Kolkata, that is India. Default language, you can select any language. Let us say Hindi. Sorry, English. Hindi is not there. So English. Disable language, no. Output, no. So save settings. Now we come to email. Now email is very important. Please pay attention. If you are using Gmail ID, then it is a little complicated because Gmail has got their restrictions. So we need to first mitigate those restrictions. If it is your office email ID, it is very simple. You can do that. So first I'll use my office email ID just to show. So first use the SSL or TSL, whatever is your office email ID. It is an SMTP or email or send mail. So take SMTP and then SSL and SMT host. So here ours is IMAP or SMTP dot hostinger dot in. Port is 548465. Email is info@capsavi.com. Username is info@capsavi.com. Now I'll write my password, that is that's all. Now everything you keep same, and if you want to test your email, then you can mail at Anil B Goyal goel.home@gmail.com. This is just for testing purpose, that mail will come. Now if there is an error, then it will not take. That means either my password is not correct or the setting is not correct, then it will not take. Otherwise it will say it is done. So save setting. So it is a system updated. That means the email has been taken properly. There is no error in the email. And now we see whether the email has come in the on the email ID. So I'll go to my email ID. Email did not come. That means it is not done properly. We'll do it again because password I don't know. So this is the format that we need to use if we are using the company email ID. But if you are using the Gmail ID, then the settings will be different. I'll try with the Gmail ID now. So you take the SSL same, and then Gmail is smtp dot. If you don't know what is the configuration, then you can just do it Google Gmail IMAP setting or SMTP setting. So smtp.gmail.com, and the port is 587. SMTP port is 465. So use port 465. We go back to this one. So it is smtp.465 is correct. Email ID is anilgoel.home@gmail.com. Username is same. Then password is whatever your Gmail password, and then say save settings. So it will save setting. If there is an error, then it will say error, otherwise system updated. So that means your email ID has gone. So this is the way you can create your username email ID configuration. So same email ID then will be used for sending the mail. Now we come to the finance. Finance means your separator, 1000 separator, or how many zeros that you need in the format, tax, whether there is a tax component in your item, tax name, dollar before anything that you want to place before the currency or after the currency, the dollar sign. So all those things you can do here. Then payment gateway, if you want to integrate your payment gateway, PayPal is there, otherwise PayUmoney is there. PayUmoney is valid in India also, PayPal may not be there. So if you have PayU account, you can integrate here. Then by just sending the link, your customers can pay you directly using that link. So that is integrated here, PayUmoney account. Then your customers you create, these are the settings for your customers, so that you can do company field is required or company data, whatever that configuration that you want to do, you can do. Additional information also possible, but these are the basic things that you need to set up first time. Then task also, there are multiple options available. These are all one-time setting, and if you don't do anything, then also there is no requirement. You don't have to do anything. These are just for information, that if you want to change anything, you can change. Otherwise, whatever that inbuilt information is there, that is sufficient for you to start directly. Only these two things are pending: general and company information and email. These three things are important once you do your first time login. So remaining settings are already there. You don't have to do anything. So this is the first time information that we have done. Once you have login, started using first time after subscription, then these are the three things that you need to do: company information, general, company information. The general means you can add your logo and the company information, website and all. Company information is basic company information in terms of your address and the company name, and email configuration. These are email configuration is very important, because this email ID will be used while sending the email to your customers or to your team members. That's all in terms of first time configuration for your company information. Thank you.